Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys, a quick video on battery replacement. We'll demonstrate on Ford Fiesta 6th generation, which is known as the Mk7. And this one guys should cover the years from 2008 all the way until 2017. Yeah, it's a long production, I know. We're demonstrating on a Fiesta ST, but other ones that I noticed, the ones in Europe as well with the 1.0 EcoBoost engine, and the other ones have the same battery placement, so that should be the same procedure. So what do you need to do guys? Okay, you gotta make sure that you have the keys out of the vehicle. That's one thing for sure before you start. You need to open that cap. Ours is already open, so you just open it, okay, like that. And we'll need to disconnect the positive cable now. Okay, right there. So for this purpose we'll need a 10mm wrench. Okay, and you need to get that nut loose there. Okay, and when you get it loose, okay, it's going to come up. But one thing right here, okay, you have a plastic thing that gets in the bolt and it holds the cable in place. So we'll need to go ahead and remove this one up, okay, straight up like that. And then we can go ahead and remove the positive cable. Okay, you might need to help it a little bit if it's stuck. Okay, like that. One thing, ours got there again. Okay, like that. Next we need to disconnect the negative. Again with the same 10mm wrench you can go ahead and do that as well. Okay, this one is out too. Next you can see the negative cable goes to that mount there, so with 8mm socket. Okay, we'll need to go ahead and remove it. Okay, just like that. Pull it out. Next we need to use the 10mm again, and we need to get that mount loose on top. It's not very complicated procedure. It's recommended to use gloves and eye protection guys when you do battery replacement, because if the old battery has some acid leaking out, that could hurt your fingers, hands, skin really bad. So don't do what we do. Wear gloves. Okay, we can pull that thing out, and now we're actually gonna go get gloves because we never know what's underneath. It could be some acid leaking and that could cause some serious burn. You always have to make sure that you guys use the same battery size that you have on the factory vehicle, because otherwise you might damage alternator, computers and things like that. Okay, and we can just go ahead and pull it out of there. Okay, this is the battery now. And you can see battery compartment right here. We don't have any leaks, so that's good. And stay with us guys, we'll show you how to install a new one. And one thing I forgot to mention guys, it's our mistake. You have to disconnect the negative first and then the positive cable. We did the opposite, don't do that. Negative first, positive, and also when you connect it, it's different. So stay with us to see what you need to do next. Okay, let's get the battery in now. Okay, we got the battery right now, and what you will be doing first, you will be installing the bracket, get the bracket in place. So remember, when you replace the battery, when you disconnect it, disconnect the negative black one first and then the positive. Okay, so we're going to get the bracket tight now, make sure that everything is secure here. Okay, right there. And now you're going to connect the positive first. Okay, and then the negative. The order of connection is the opposite of the order of disconnection. Okay, we got this one tight now. And next we'll need to go ahead, install the negative one. Okay, right there. connect this one. It's very important to go ahead and connect the ground wire to the body, because if you don't, nothing will work. Okay, so with that 8mm socket we will need to install the bolt. Okay, and get it tight. Okay guys, and if you have some anti-corrosion spray for battery terminals, you can apply some. Currently we don't have any, but we will order some. You can find more information in the description of the video, guys. We will have links for the tools and parts that we use. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.